Chris Bashinelli, and we are here for our Tuesday tip. This tip is all about improving our relationships with others. So I'd like you to think about somebody in your life that really bothers you, somebody that really gets under your skin. I mean, even thinking about this person, this colleague, or this family member, already you could see yourself getting a little bit upset. I mean, it's just so obvious. Can't they see that they are acting selfish, or that they're only thinking about themselves, or that they're not being productive, or whatever it is? Who might that be for you? Take a deep breath. Who is that person for you? Got it? Okay. And what is that quality that you really dislike about them? I know I can think of somebody. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay. What's that quality? You've got the quality. You've got the person. Now I'm going to ask you a question. How do you embody that quality in your life? That negative quality that you don't like about the other person. How do you do that in your life? It might be a little bit of a challenge. We don't want to look at that. We don't want to look at that part of ourselves. But if our emphasis in life is to grow and to evolve as human beings and become global citizens, we've got to look at this. How am I like that? The aspect that I am judging that other person for, how am I like that? Yeah. If you have a loaded relationship with someone, if something really bothers you about that person, it's not that that person doesn't have that quality. It's more that we have to understand how we are viewing them. We have to open our mind. We have to open our worldview and our perspective to change that relationship. So what happens when we recognize that we are judging someone for a particular negative quality? What we often do, and this is deep, so we have to try to hear it, what we often do most of the time is we do not see people as they are. We do not see the world as it is. We see the world as we are. And when we change our mind, we change our world. What happens is we have a negative quality about ourselves that we have repressed so much. Subconsciously, we don't want to look at it, so we look at it in the other person. And the fact that it's bothering us so much means we're probably judging ourselves for something very similar. So what happens? Does that mean we stop interacting with that person? Does that mean the person all of a sudden stops acting in that particular way? No. It just means that our side of the street becomes clean. We're not coming from that loaded place. We're not coming from that emotionally charged place. So we can still have that conversation with the other person, but we won't be like the boxer who becomes angry and loses the match. Because once we've lost our center, we've lost the match. We can't engage in a conversation. Next time you notice yourself judging someone for something, ask yourself, how do you judge yourself for that? How do you embody that quality? Accept that. Then you can begin to change it and change your relationships with others. I'm Chris Bashinelli, and this is our Tuesday tip.